Hey guys, Works on in the second here, and today I'm doing a, this is originally supposed to be a vlog, but, I'm actually working on a type of video, and hold on. What are you guys doing? I'll be right back. It's been, I don't know how long it's been, but, they're right over there. If you can zoom in, but I'm trying to do that, but I can't zoom in because it's that. It's gonna be a little while, but I can turn this into a vlog also, so. So currently my YouTube channel, SEA is probably gonna get postponed until December because I'm planning on, redoing Sneaky Cheese, but not later this month because I don't really have enough time to. So I can just redo it. So, also I'm working on a project called Project Rampage where we're actually going to play two separate games on the N64. Rampage World Tour and Rampage 2 Universal Tour. And if that actually goes well, I'm actually going to do a third one on Rampage Through Time, which is the third game in the genre. So, let's just wait until they get back. Don't know what they're doing. But also, I'll probably tell down in the description down below. I'll tell you if you want to send some fan mail, then you can down in the description down below where you should send it. And no one is here yet except for the ducks. Those are the only company I can have right now. And here's the ducks. They're not like, oh god, that one just saw. It's actually kind of good here at the pond today. It actually smells kind of good. Like if you're like from an urban area, oh there they are. Here we go. Okay. Ryan's the winner. Ryan's the winner. Oh god. Yes.
That was so
He did.
high.
He did.
He fucking did. That was so fucking high. Okay. 80 subscribers. Who do you think won? It's up to you. It's up to you guys. But he's saying that Ryan won.
He did. He did win.
That was clearly me. But we'll let you choose, and then we're gonna let the comments choose. Back up a bit. Give me some.
Hold on. Let me ask the ducks. Hey, quackers.
Hey, help me up. That was
Hey, fellow quackers. No? No.
So I jumped off. When I turned around the corner, I jumped off. Hey,
He
tell
did.
us
He
who
did.
won and then landed in the comments below. Subscribe, hit that like button. Have a nice day. No, you can say. All right.
Have a nice day. All right. Like, subscribe, like you just said, and be an all-star.
And click the little bell. Ding. Click the little bell icon to get notified of when he uploads.
Okay.
Peace out, Girl Scout. Dude, you gotta show us that video. I gotta see how high I was. I almost